Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new Pspice project and selecting an analog simulation profile. Place the essential components now: supply rails, ground, and the circuit elements you will analyze. Make sure to add the ground reference first because Pspice requires it to solve node voltages. Once components are placed, wire them carefully and double-check values and part orientations. Save the schematic and give each net a clear name so you can identify key nodes later during probe placement and measurements. Next, configure the simulation profile and component models so results reflect real behavior. Add your stimulus sources and choose analysis type: transient for time domain pulses, AC sweep for frequency response, or DC sweep for operating points. Link any Spice model files for specialized devices and set environment variables like temperature. Then open the simulation profile and define runtime, maximum step size, and output traces you want to capture. Make sure measurement, points, and probes are placed before running to avoid reruns. Run the simulation and immediately inspect waveforms with the probe tool to verify signals, amplitudes, and timing. Use cursors to measure delays or rise times and apply FFT or Bode plots for frequency domain insight. If results differ from expectations, pause and examine the error log and netlist. Common issues are missing ground, unconnected power pins, incorrect model paths, or unrealistic time step settings. Once fixed, rerun and iterate. Make incremental changes, document them, and save working versions so you can backtrack if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.